Welcome to Ozroll Queensland, a manufacturing hub producing Inspire plantation shutters, Ellipso aluminium louvers and slide track outdoor blinds. Experience the unmatched quality of our plantation shutters. Each custom-built panel is produced from world-class extrusions, offering the ultimate in thermal insulation and UV resistance. Our new facility boasts a remarkable capacity, ready to deliver over 200 square metres per day, ensuring quick and reliable service. And now, with our fully functional slide track outdoor blind division, enjoy turnaround times as fast as 72 hours from order with side retained blinds, straight drop awnings, or the unique chain guide blind. Or you can elevate any outdoor experience with our industry-leading Ellipso aluminium louver range, a testament to innovation and durability, offering a variety of design choices, such as different blade orientations, raked panels, glass infills, and even cyclone-rated systems. Ozroll Queensland, a commitment to quality in both product and service. Following the legacy of Ozroll in South Australia, our nation's leading roller shutter manufacturer with an origin story beginning in 1976.